the embankment, a beautiful embankment, London. And the next place. And we go Somerset House. By the way, hi. I hope you all have a great day today. I hope you have a great Easter weekend. And I hope you just have a good rest of the weekend. This is Somerset House. This is a big wonderful building. Oh, that's the back of the definitely go back and back. This is Temple Pier. This is the embankment. Cross over that side. Oh, this is the embankment. Station. I think I was going to cross over and come Yeah. So here you have Temple embankment. There you go. And you can see the London Eye from there. And over there's the Waterloo Bridge over there. And this is HMS Wellington. I think they do lots of stuff. It's not a working ship. They have it there now for venues to hire, conference, wedding, that sort of stuff if you need to book it. But it's very nice. I think I've been on it before. I think it's called a yacht. I went on it for dinner. But yeah.
I think you are right with this something.
So beautiful. There you go. So I'm a little bit closer to it now. So this is how big it is. And there's a clear view of London. Alright. See what I've done? I've come underneath the tree that's popped. Yeah, as I said, I hope you all had a good Easter weekend, and I hope you're back to work. If you're not back to work, you're back to school, or if you're not back to school, I hope you're resting up and watching my videos. Yeah. So what is this? Here we go. I'll stop and give a good old read. Some history for you. Erected to the memorial offices. And this is our phone box, and that's a working city cruiser there that is working. Sea looks a little bit, River Thames looks a little bit it looks a little bit quiet. Okay, but don't get it twisted. This is a very deep water, so please, whatever you do, do not ever attempt to get on or get in the water. Don't you ever. Right. Oh, that coast is good. Yeah, this is a cruising. Entrance is a bit right. This is City of London School. It's massive. So I always wondered where this building is, and here it is. Keep it from there. So that station you can go to the airport, Heathrow from here. So this building is super tall. Look at the red out there. It's a lovely day. A little bit of cloud in the sky, but it's not as bad. It's a lovely day. This is Blackfriars Station, where you can get all the trains to Heathrow Airport. Check out the children. Look at them down there.